Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video to Little Mix DNA official music video. So we're gonna check out this song and see what's going on. I think this is an old song, and I'm not really sure. I think it's an old song, but I haven't heard this before, so I'm gonna check out this and yo, Perrier has such a beautiful, like strong ass voice. Damn, she got my dude kidnapped. Perrier, you're a badass. Yeah. This is like some Frankenstein shit, bro. Wait, what year was this? Because Jade look hella young. I don't know how old is this song, but Jade look hella young here, bro. And I gotta say, Perrier voice, oh my god, that's oh my god, her voice is so heavy, it's just so strong. I love it, bro. I love it. Ooh, ooh. Damn, yo, honest to God, I wouldn't mind be a girl DNA. You see me? Be a part of her. You know what I mean? Everybody know a DNA make up a human being. Specific, each person have their own DNA. But to be a part, be a girl called your DNA, that means you are like a part of her no matter what. That's crazy, bro. So anybody who don't want to be a DNA are not saying anything. Yo, I don't got no blue eyes, bro. Yeah, this is probably when they were young. I think I'm getting the honor of this song. Oh my girl, Leanne. Oh, let's get it. Oh, she look like a vampire. Yeah, my girl look like a vampire, bruh. Monster stop video, bruh. Oh, man, this girl look young as hell, bro. I don't know which girl, but you guys probably gonna tell me still. Alright, guys, this is another reaction video too. Little Mix DNA to be continued. This song was very good. I like the video, especially the video. The video was so good. I like it, bro. So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.